Hello my beautiful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video I will be making vegetable sauce. Okay, so here I have my vegetable. I have ugu leaf here, then this one is sliced onion, then sliced tomatoes. Yeah, I'll be making use of red oil. Okay, yeah, I'll be making use of red oil. So I have chicken meat here. This is what I will be using too. Okay, and I'm going to be adding dry catfish. Okay, so join me as I make this delicious vegetable sauce. Okay, yeah. Lights now. So I'll be adding the red oil now. Okay, so we're not frying much. Adding salt, and I'll be adding onion. Gonna add more salt. So guys, I'll be adding the tomatoes. Okay, I'll be adding the tomatoes. Like, I don't want to fry this too much. Yeah. I'm going to bring the camera close so that you can see the steam. Okay, yeah. So the fish I'm going to be using is ready. So I'm going to be boiling hot water that I'm going to use to wash the fish, guys. So now I'm going to on the light so that the fish is going to be boiling. So I'll soon flog you people. I'm going to add hot water and I will allow it to stay for some minutes. I'm going to add salt. Okay. So I'll be adding the fish here so that the taste will enter the sauce. Yeah, because when the sauce boils very well, I'm going to remove it before adding vegetables so that it will not scatter. So I'm going to be adding it now. So I'm going to be bringing the camera close for you to see exactly how this thing. guys, I'll be adding the chicken stock later. I don't want the water to be much now, so I want to check the level of the water before I'll add the chicken stock. So I'm going to cover it. I'll be taking the fish out now. We're adding crayfish. So I'm going to stir and test for salt and everything, pepper, and see if anyone is lacking. Yes. So I'm going to cover it to steam, then I come back to stir it. Next, I want to check it. So this is how it's looking. So I'm going to stir it because I don't want it to So this is for rice, yam, spaghetti, potato. Yeah, you can as well use it to eat swallow. It's your choice. Okay, yeah. So now I will be adding back the fish. So now I'll be adding back the fish. Yeah. The taste is yummy.